Alright, back with an Exquisite break. 2007 Exquisite Baseball. This is for Nick. What's up, Nick? Sorry for the wait. Case just came in. Banged out on this side. It's like a fold when Upper Deck taped it in half. That one. But anyway, that's the case. 2007. Gotta do this by myself. Tattoo said he had a rough Easter weekend. So, oh man. Did I bring the... Oh, there they are. I was like, did I bring the scissors? I still have the sword out here. Alright, let's cut into this thing. Nick's gonna try... There it is, box 2. I had notes. Box 2 on this one. So, box 1 is 92. Box 2 is 36. There's the box number. 36. Sometimes they're all 5 in a row, and sometimes it's 3 and 2. This one's 93, so that's 92, 93. This one's 38, and this one's 37. So it's 36, 37, 38, 92, and 93. But you got box 36. And here we go, Nick. Get these out with that sweet spot that you did Friday. Alright, here we go. Roy Oswalt, base, Glenn Perkins, rookie auto. Here's the duel, number to 25. Tony Abreu and Andy LaRoche, number 21-25. Dual autograph. Next one, Troy Tulu, the gold version, number to 99. Not too shabby. 19/99. Gold rookie. Next one, 6 of 10, Josh Fields. Autograph. And the last one, Kevin Kuzmanov. 11 of 25. Auto. Alright, there you have it, Nick. I appreciate it, man. And I'll get these out with the spots from the other day. Alright, buddy. See ya.